Hello everyone. We have studied in 10 parts the derivatives. Now that was the general introduction. Some very important questions which were not covered in the textbook. Those type of the questions we have taken in 10 parts actually. Some other important questions that we will go in the different lectures. Now we will start according to the textbook, new textbook. So some of very important questions. Now as you have done those 10 parts, this will be very easy for you. So let us hope that we will go according to this. Some very important solved examples and some of the questions from the exercises. This way we will complete the syllabus. Now this is our actually lecture number 1 for derivatives from the point of view of the board examination. So textbook page number 4, on that there are very important questions and many of them are likely to come for the board examination. In that the first one, y is equal to under root of x square plus 5. We have seen the formula d by dx of root x is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. So therefore dy by dx is equal to d by dx of root of x square plus 5. Just I am writing that I am going to take the derivative. So the derivative of root is 1 upon 2 root. So this is the root. So I will take its derivative and it will be 1 upon 2 root. What is in the root? X square plus 5. Now if it would be x, then our solution is over. But now in the root there is something else. So by the chain rule, I have to once again multiply by the derivative of x square plus 5. And that is equal to 1 upon 2 root of x square plus 5 into derivative of x square is 2x and plus derivative of the constant is 0. That is equal to 2x upon 2 under root x square plus 5. This cut and that is equal to x upon under root of x square plus 5. This is the solution of the first. So here I will write another formula, d by dx of constant is equal to 0. Actually in one video we have taken all the formulae. On that page, question number 4, log of x square plus x raised to 5 plus 4. This is the first step. Y is equal to log of x raised to 5 plus 4. Therefore, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log x square plus x raised to 5 plus 4. Now we know the derivative of log d by dx of log x is equal to 1 upon x. Now this is log. Derivative of log is 1 upon. What is 1 upon this? So 1 upon x raised to 5 plus 4. Now it is not x, it is something else. So by the chain rule into d by dx of x raised to 5 plus 4. That is equal. Now 1 upon x raised to 5 plus 4 into derivative of x raised to 5. That formula I have not given. d by dx of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. So here n is 5, so 5 will come here and x raised to 5 minus 1 will be 4 and plus this is 0. That is equal to the overall answer will be 5x raised to 4 upon x raised to 5 plus 4. So we'll take some different questions. On the same page, y is equal to 3 upon 2x raised to 2 minus 7 raised to 5. Now this power, if I take up, it will be negative. Therefore, y is equal to 3 into 2x raised to 2 minus 7 raised to minus 5. Therefore, dy by dx, here you have to give the reason, differentiating with respect to x, is equal to 3. This 5 will come here first, minus 5. This is the power d by dx of x raised to n, that the first formula we will use. This minus 5 here, and here it will be 2x square minus 7 raised to minus 5 minus 1. This is our formula. Okay. For the power I have differentiated. But this is not x, this is something else. So, into d by dx of 2x square minus 7. So, that is equal to, this has come minus 15 into 2x square minus 7 raised to minus 6 into derivative of this 2. It is a constant, it is a multiplier 2x. That time, now I am taking the derivative of 2x square. So this is the constant. When it is a coefficient, then 2 into d by dx of x square. That way we have to do. And x square derivative is 2x. 2x and this 2. So 2 into 2x minus 0. So that is equal to, this is 4. Minus 15 into 4, that is equal to minus 60. This is x. This negative power will come down, and 2x square minus 7 raised to 6. This is the answer. Now page number 6. On that, the first one, y is equal to under root of sine x cube. Therefore, directly I will take the derivative dy by dx is equal to d by dx of under root sine of x cube. Now the derivative of the root is 1 upon 2 root. What is in that root? Sine of x cube into. Now the derivative of this root is taken. Root is a function. Its derivative is taken. Now next I am saying is sine. So d by dx of sine x cube. That is equal to 1 upon 2 under root sine of x cube into. Now derivative of sine. Derivative of sine is cos. Cos of angle is x cube. Now angle is not x. So take once again the derivative of d by dx of x cube. That is equal to cos cube. So cos of x cube upon 2 root of sine of x cube into the derivative of this will be by this formula 3x square. So the overall answer will be 3x square cos of x cube upon under root of sine of x cube. So this is the final answer for this. Now the second sum, I have selected some very important questions from page number 6 now. Y is equal to cot square x cube. Here it is the square and angle is x cube. So I can write it as cot of x cube and its square. This way I can write. So therefore dy by dx, the first function is the power function. Take it down 2 into cot of x cube. The derivative of power is 4. Now the derivative of this into d by dx of cot x cube. That is equal to 2 cot of x cube into derivative of cot is minus cosec square x. D by dx of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. See in the first video on derivative, introduction of the formula, in that I have given everything. So derivative of cot is minus cosec square, angle is x cube. Okay, I have taken the derivative of this. Now this is remaining into d by dx of x cube. So that is equal to this minus sign, I will take out minus 2 cot of x cube into cosec square of x cube into the derivative of x cube is 3x square. So overall answer is minus 6 x square cot of x cube into cosec square of x cube. So if you want to have some changes, cosec means 1 upon sine square of x cube. That way this minus 6x square into, meaning of tan is sine upon cos. So cot is cos upon sine, cos of x cube upon sine of x cube. Now nothing is, I am not getting any benefit of this. Nothing is getting cancelled. So let it be. So this will be the final answer. The third sum on page number 6. Y is equal to log of cos of x raised to 5. Therefore, here you have to write differentiating with respect to x. I am not writing. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log of cos of x raised to 5 is the derivative I am going to take. I will use the different brackets. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, now the derivative of log is 1 upon